United Kingdom: The Last Train in London, a suspense story. On a cold London night, thick fog wrapped the streets as if hiding old secrets. Adam entered an almost empty train station. The clock was close to midnight. The departure board blinked, last train 000. He sat alone in the carriage. No passengers, no voices, only the sound of the train cutting through the darkness. Suddenly, a soft whisper echoed, "Mind the gap." Adam turned around. No one was there. The lights flickered. The train stopped at a station not listed on the map. Its name read, Old London. He stepped out carefully. The streets looked frozen in the 19th century. Gas lamps, old buildings, and heavy silence. Footsteps echoed behind him. His heart raced. He turned quickly, and saw an elderly man wearing a classic British hat, smiling calmly. "You seem a little lost, my friend," the man said. "Where am I?" Adam asked nervously. The man chuckled. "You're in London, of course, just a version that enjoys teasing visitors." Suddenly, a familiar voice announced, "Next stop, reality." Adam opened his eyes. The train was back in modern London. Crowds, noise, life. He checked his watch. Late for work. He smiled and whispered, "Looks like London loves suspense," but without permission open-mouth smile.